Waziri w'obulendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen nigaikirana abosio bwa Senate ili KOIRANERIA AMABORIO hayarengeta obulendi asense ya Kenya.
Kagukwana chinga kecho nigo aenekirie ugutumekwo kwa basae negati y'abanasiasa ili korenta chiburaburu hasebona agikeire egakore kikene getigwa se county ya Kisii chinga ky'abamiribe serikali babwate etaro yabo.
Nonyarabo nigo aenekirie abakenya kubwaterana ili guting'ia obulendi mense ya Kenya.
Activities, I will reiterate what the majority leader said about political players. Yes, some gangs are properly and fully utilized by politicians, 100%. If you saw some of the challenges we had in Kisii this weekend, courtesy of political activities in that area, you will see that both those who are campaigning and their competitors are mobilizing young people, including some of them have unique uniforms in light with the political side they support. And I think it is an area also we must work together to get rid of it. But we will, as we continue enforcing the law, I believe that the people of Kenya will support us even where the political leaders do not. I agree with Senator Lemaletian on the question of Saburo, Maralal. You know very well that we've done a lot in Maralal. We changed security recently, tried to bolster the security team, and the IG is working on, and it's not just Maralal alone, across the country, deploying more police officers, more agile, newly trained, as soon as we complete the current training in September, October. And I hope that this will help us. As you know, Samburu, we have various challenges. We are still dealing with bandits, and then we are told in town people are causing havoc, gangs and goons and mob justice in the town. I know you have asked me to pick my calls. I'm sure when I leave this chamber now, there will be a member of parliament or a senator who is complaining that I have not picked their calls. The nature of the job I do, Madam Speaker, is very, very, very busy. Between now and 1 a.m., I will still be working. And I'm expected to wake up the next day to do some work. So if when I do not manage to respond to your calls, there are channeled established procedures in the office. And I have come to establish that many people who come to my office, they will not leave their issues with the officers in the office. They just insisted that I wanted to see the cabinet secretary. If we can utilize the resources in the office, then they can be able to respond, like Senator Chutia said. Lastly, IBC, I think we will support IBC, and the National Police Service is ready to support IBC to make sure that political activities are done within the law. If I pronounce myself here that we are doing it on behalf of IBC, or we are banning public rallies, I think IBC should take the legal steps, and it is for us then to support them, whether it's policy from my office or the IG security-wise, to make sure that once they pronounce a certain gathering to be illegal, then it is for us.